These ASMR videos are blowing up on social media. You've probably seen them on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. People are really loving this kind of video content. It's blowing up right now. The response has been incredible, and the trend is going totally viral. Check out this TikTok channel. It's called Wild Whisper. They already have 250K followers and over 6.9 million likes. They've only uploaded a few videos. That just shows how powerful and engaging their content is. One of their videos has gone absolutely viral with over 71 million views. That's insane reach for such a small number of uploads. Clearly, they've tapped into something people can't get enough of. Here's another one blowing up ASMR AI works. Just like Wild Whisper, they've uploaded only few video, but every single one is going viral. You might be trying to create these videos, but there's actually an AI video generator that can do it perfectly for you. You can definitely try using other AI video generators as alternatives, but most of them don't deliver the same level of quality or satisfaction. The visuals might look basic, the motion can feel unnatural, and the sound effects often don't match the vibe. If you want to create the perfect ASMR video, then you definitely need to use this AI tool. To get started, first go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, click on the Try GPT button to begin using the tool. After the interface loads, locate the prompt box where you can enter text. In that box, you'll need to write or paste a specific prompt. Comment Veo3 ASMR. And I'll send you more than 10 detailed prompts to help you create stunning ASMR-style videos. A reference prompt has already been provided to help so ChatGPT can understand what to do. Now, ChatGPT may ask you to provide a reference image. To do this, simply click on the plus icon in the chat interface. This will allow you to upload an image directly. You can either download an image from Google or take a screenshot of what you want to use as a reference. Uploading a good quality image is important. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the image prompt for us, as it helps ensure that the output generated by ChatGPT is accurate and visually aligned with your request. Now, just go ahead and copy the prompt. Now, go to the GPTs section in ChatGPT. Type ASMR into the search box, then look for the Veo3 ASMR cut option in the results. As you can see, this prompt generator has a great rating and many of us use it, but only a few achieve better output. Click on Get Started, then paste the prompt you copied earlier. Now click on Generate. In a few seconds, your video prompt will be ready. Now we'll use Veo3 to generate the video. If you don't know how to access Veo3, watch our previous video. It has all the solutions you need to get started. Veo3 for free. Now go to Gemini. In the prompt box, first enter the prompt you generated using ChatGPT, then below that, paste the video prompt from GPT. Combining both will help you get the best results. Once you've entered both prompts into the Gemini prompt box, go ahead and click the Generate button. After a short wait of just a few seconds, the final results will appear on your screen. This output will be based on the combination of the ChatGPT generated prompt and the video prompt, helping you achieve a high-quality, well-structured result. Now let's review the final results and see the outcome of our prompts. As you can see, the final video turned out exactly as we envisioned. Every detail aligns perfectly with the prompts we provided, showing just how powerful and accurate this process can be when done correctly.